I got an oil leak. The other day I came home from work and I saw this puddle of oil under our other vehicle. So I did a little digging trying to see what was going on with it. And stay tuned, I'm gonna pull this right front wheel off and I'll show you guys what we got going on and show you how I'm gonna fix it. Stay tuned. So there's our culprit right there. That's what's leaking. Today's episode is brought to you by Panther Pro with their Durabond RL Easy glass removal kit. This simplifies the process of removing glued-in glass on all of your typical vehicles. So I met these guys at the SEMA show this last year, and we started talking about how I, as a body technician, would like to start removing my own glass and doing a lot of my own glass work. And they showed me this fantastic machine right here, and we started talking, and here we are now. And I have now been practicing using the RL Easy, and I'll tell you guys what, it is very easy using this machine to cut out glass. So all you body technicians out there that have thought about doing your own glass work, this is the tool you need. It is fantastic. Be sure to go check it out, pantherpro.com. It is the oil filter housing. So this whole assembly right here. They say that either the plastic can crack on these and cause a leak from over tightening the oil filter, or the seals can just go bad. So this is the new oil filter housing. They made a replacement that's aluminum due to the fact that plastic can crack. I don't know if it's the seal on mine or if it's cracked plastic. It wasn't very expensive, so I figured I'll just get the replacement part rather than just buying the seals. Let's get this thing apart. Now there's the old one. I don't see any visible cracks in the plastic, so I'm assuming it's just the seals leaking, but that doesn't mean there's not a microscopic crack somewhere. But like I said, it was a cheap part, so I'm just gonna replace it. Now I don't know if this new one came with an oil filter in it or not, so I'm gonna check to find out. Don't want to assume there's a filter. And there is. Now before I start it up, I'm gonna top off the oil. I know this was about a quart low whenever I checked it a few days ago. So I'm gonna top off the oil, then we'll start it up. All right, let's start it up and check for leaks.